Hello everybody, it's Kurosh again. Today I'm going to talk about how I put sound on several objects in this game. As you can see, the game has changed quite well, and like the animation was added in other milestones. But right now we mostly doing the sound because of lab 5. So I just want to run the game at the first and then explain the codings and also the places that I put sound. So if I start the game, uh, as you can see here, we have three different sounds. Let me just do this. We have three different sounds. If the player gets hit, there is one sound. And if you kill someone, there is a sound of like dying the enemy because they are robots. So if you just do that, it can have a sound. Also, the shooting has its own sound. So let me just pause the game and explain it one by one. At the first, in the main camera, we need to add audio listener to show to the Unity that we are going to have voice and sounds on our game. And then for the player, as you saw, we had two different sounds. So one of them is for the when the player is shooting, and one of them is for the time it gets hit. For the get hit, I added audio source in. I added the audio source component, and put the sound hit hurt, and then inside the damage script, I wrote several lines of codes, and let me just show you. At the first, I got the serialized field for audio source, and in the take damage, as you can see, I just put if its sound is not null. I can use that if its sound parenthesis closed. Doesn't matter. So hit sound dot play. So it will start the sound. All right. So for the shooting, actually, I added in the gun. For the shooting, as you can see in this script, there is one serialized field for shoot, and whenever the player starts shooting, the sound will be played like in this line of code, line 43. And also for the enemy, if I want to show you the enemy sound when it gets hit, it's inside the enemy, and the enemy explosion I added in a Unity event. So it's a different thing, but logically they are not that different. So inside the script, I added a public Unity event, and I get the integer components from the user. And then inside the die function, again I invoke the Unity event and just put the sound on this. And here, after I created the Unity event, I added something for because it's only one time. It's only run for one time. So I add runtime only and game object that's set active. I put it here, and then I add the explosion sound here. So yeah, that's it all for the game. I just want to run it again for you to see it perfectly works and doesn't have any problems. So the first, when the player is shooting, the sound of the player that is shooting right now, and then when I kill someone, it's heard. So when you're here, the player gets hit and it has damages on it. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.